The Ever Ace, the world's largest container ship, faces a unique problem: how to efficiently load and unload 24,000 containers in ports around the world. The solution involves a complex choreography of cranes, vehicles, and logistics systems, which we'll explore in detail in this video. The Ever Ace represents the pinnacle of maritime engineering, boasting dimensions that challenge the limits of shipbuilding technology. At 400 meters in length and 61.5 meters in width, this vessel dwarfs many of its predecessors in the global shipping fleet. Its immense size enables it to transport a staggering 23,992 20-foot equivalent units, TEUs, setting a new standard for cargo capacity in container shipping. As we examine the Ever Ace, we'll uncover the intricate systems and advanced technologies that enable this floating behemoth to navigate the world's oceans. From its powerful propulsion systems to its sophisticated navigation equipment, every aspect of the ship's design and operation presents unique engineering challenges. We'll also explore the complex logistics required to manage such an enormous volume of cargo, both at sea and in port. To truly appreciate the engineering marvel that is the Ever Ace, we must examine its colossal dimensions and record-breaking specifications. This vessel pushes the boundaries of maritime engineering, setting new standards for size and cargo capacity in the shipping industry. The Ever Ace stretches an impressive 400 meters in length, equivalent to the height of 4 statues of Liberty stacked on top of each other. Its width measures 61.5 meters, wider than an American football field. The ship's height from keel to bridge is approximately 73 meters, comparable to a 24-story building. These dimensions make the Ever Ace a true titan of the seas, dwarfing many coastal structures it passes during its voyages. To put the ship's size into perspective, imagine 4 soccer fields laid end to end. That's roughly the length of the Ever Ace. If stood on its stern, it would tower over the Eiffel Tower by nearly 100 meters. This immense scale is not just for show, it serves a crucial purpose in maximizing the vessel's cargo capacity. The Ever Ace's most notable feature is its ability to carry 23,992 20-foot equivalent units, TEUs. TEU is the standard unit of measurement for container capacity, based on the volume of a 20-foot-long intermodal container. This capacity represents a significant leap forward in container shipping capabilities, surpassing previous record holders by several hundred TEUs. To visualize this capacity, consider that 23,992 TEUs would form a line of containers stretching over 145 kilometers if placed end to end. This volume of cargo is equivalent to the freight capacity of approximately 17 freight trains or 2,500 semi-trucks. The ability to transport such an enormous quantity of goods in a single journey significantly reduces the cost and environmental impact per unit of cargo. The Ever Ace's cargo capacity marks a notable increase from its predecessors. The previous record holder, HMM Algeciras, would carry 23,964 TEUs, while the Madrid Maersk, launched in 2017, had a capacity of 20,568 TEUs. This incremental growth in capacity demonstrates the ongoing efforts of shipbuilders to maximize efficiency in global trade. The ship's massive size does present challenges, however. Its draft, the vertical distance between the waterline and the bottom of the hull, can reach up to 16 meters when fully loaded. This depth limits the number of ports capable of accommodating the vessel, requiring strategic planning for global shipping routes. The Ever Ace's immense cargo hold is divided into multiple bays, each serviced by sophisticated loading and unloading systems. These systems must work in perfect synchronization to manage the placement and removal of thousands of containers efficiently. The ship's design incorporates advanced stability control mechanisms to maintain balance and safety, even when fully loaded with its enormous cargo. The vessel's superstructure, housing the crew quarters and bridge, is positioned towards the stern. This placement maximizes the available deck space for container stacking while providing the crew with optimal visibility for navigation and operations management. As container ships continue to grow in size, ports worldwide are adapting their infrastructure to accommodate these maritime giants. Deeper channels, larger cranes, and expanded container yards are becoming necessary to service vessels like the Ever Ace efficiently. This symbiotic relationship between ship design and port infrastructure drives ongoing innovations in maritime logistics and engineering. With the Ever Ace's massive size and cargo capacity established, we turn our attention to the powerful heart that propels this maritime giant across the world's oceans. The ship's engine room houses an impressive array of machinery that generates the immense power required to move such a colossal vessel. At the core of the Ever Ace's propulsion system lies a state-of-the-art marine diesel engine. This behemoth of mechanical engineering is a marvel in its own right, designed to deliver optimal performance while adhering to stringent environmental regulations. The engine's specifications are a testament to the advanced engineering required for modern container ships. The main engine of the Ever Ace is a MAN B&W 11G95 MEC model, capable of producing up to 73,000 kilowatts of power. This engine type is known for its high efficiency and reduced emissions, aligning with the shipping industry's growing focus on environmental sustainability. The engine's massive cylinders, each with a bore diameter of nearly 1 meter, work in concert to generate thrust necessary to propel the ship through various sea conditions. Fuel consumption is a critical factor in the operation of such a large vessel. The Ever Ace typically uses heavy fuel oil, HFO, a dense and viscous petroleum product. At full speed, the ship can consume up to 300 tons of fuel per day. This significant fuel consumption underscores the importance of optimizing routes and speeds to maintain cost effectiveness and reduce environmental impact. To address the environmental concerns, the Ever Ace incorporates several innovative technologies. One such technology is the exhaust gas cleaning system, commonly known as a scrubber. This system effectively removes sulfur oxides and particulate matter from the engine's exhaust, allowing the ship to comply with international emissions regulations even when using high-sulfur fuels. The ship's propulsion system also includes advanced waste heat recovery mechanisms. These systems capture and utilize the heat generated by the main engine, converting it into additional electric power for onboard systems. This technology significantly improves the overall energy efficiency of the vessel, reducing fuel consumption and operational costs. Another key component of the Ever Ace's propulsion system is its massive propeller. Measuring over 10 meters in diameter, this single fixed-pitch propeller is designed for optimal efficiency at the ship's typical cruising speeds. The propeller's design incorporates the latest hydrodynamic principles to maximize thrust while minimizing cavitation and vibration. To enhance maneuverability, particularly in port areas, the Ever Ace is equipped with powerful bow thrusters. These lateral propulsion devices allow the ship to move sideways or rotate in place, facilitating precise positioning during docking and undocking operations. The ship's power generation system extends beyond propulsion. A series of auxiliary generators produce electricity for the vast array of onboard systems, including cargo refrigeration units, navigation equipment, and crew facilities. These generators are designed for high efficiency and reliability, ensuring continuous operation throughout the ship's long voyages. Efficiency measures are paramount in the design and operation of the Ever Ace. The ship's hull features an optimized design that reduces water resistance, while its bulbous bow helps to decrease wave-making resistance at cruising speeds. These design elements, combined with sophisticated weather routing systems, allow the ship to maintain optimal fuel efficiency across various sea conditions. The Ever Ace represents the cutting edge of maritime propulsion technology, balancing the need for immense power with environmental considerations and operational efficiency. As regulations tighten and technology advances, future iterations of these massive container ships will likely see further innovations in propulsion systems, fuel types, and environmental protection measures. The Ever Ace's impressive propulsion system is only part of the equation when it comes to safely navigating this massive vessel across the world's oceans. Steering a ship of this size presents unique challenges that require cutting-edge technology and highly skilled crew members to overcome. At the heart of the Ever Ace's navigation capabilities is its integrated bridge system. This advanced command center combines multiple navigation and communication technologies into a unified interface, providing the ship's officers with comprehensive situational awareness. The bridge features an array of radar systems, GPS receivers, and electronic chart display and information systems, ECDIS, that work in concert to ensure precise positioning and route planning. One of the key advantages in maneuvering a vessel of the Ever Ace's size is its limited agility. With a length of 400 meters and a width of 61.5 meters, the ship requires a significant amount of time and distance to change course or come to a stop. To address this, the navigation system incorporates sophisticated predictive algorithms that calculate the ship's future position based on its current speed, heading, and environmental factors. This allows the crew to anticipate potential obstacles or hazards well in advance and make necessary course adjustments. Collision avoidance is a critical aspect of the Ever Ace's navigation system. The ship employs an automatic identification system, AIS, that transmits and receives data from other vessels in the vicinity, including their position, course, and speed. This information is integrated with radar data and displayed on the bridge's screens, allowing officers to monitor nearby traffic and assess potential collision risks. In addition to AIS, the Ever Ace is equipped with a long-range identification and tracking LRIT system. This technology enables shore-based facilities to monitor the ship's position and identify, enhancing maritime security and facilitating search and rescue operations if needed. Weather and ocean conditions play a significant role in the safe operation of a vessel like the Ever Ace. The ship's bridge is equipped with advanced meteorological instruments that provide real-time data on wind speed, direction, air pressure, and sea state. This information is supplemented by satellite weather forecasts and oceanographic data, allowing the crew to anticipate and prepare for challenging conditions. To manage the effects of adverse weather, the Ever Ace incorporates several stability control systems. These include anti-rolling tanks that use water movement to counteract the ship's roll in heavy seas, and a sophisticated ballast water management system that can adjust the vessel's trim and stability as needed. Navigating in confined waters such as port approaches and narrow straits presents additional challenges for a ship of the Ever Ace's size. To assist in these situations, the vessel is equipped with high-precision differential GPS systems and dynamic positioning capabilities. These technologies allow for meter-level positioning accuracy and the ability to maintain a fixed position relative to a specific point, even in strong currents or winds. The Ever Ace's bridge also features multiple redundant systems to ensure operational continuity in case of equipment failure. This includes backup power supplies, duplicate navigation computers, and alternative communication systems. Regular drills and simulations are conducted to prepare the crew for various emergency scenarios, including navigation system failures and extreme weather events. Despite the advanced technology on board, human expertise remains crucial in navigating the Ever Ace safely. The ship's officers undergo extensive training in both traditional navigation techniques and the operation of modern electronic systems. This combination of cutting-edge technology and skilled human oversight ensure that the Ever Ace can navigate efficiently and safely across the world's oceans, delivering its massive cargo to ports around the globe. While the Ever Ace's navigation systems ensure safe passage across vast oceans, an equally impressive feat of engineering awaits at each port of call. The loading and unloading process for a vessel of this magnitude is a carefully orchestrated operation that combines cutting-edge technology with precision logistics. At the heart of this process are the massive container gantry cranes that line modern ports. These behemoths, often towering over 100 meters tall, are specifically designed to handle the largest container ships in operation. Each crane can extend across the full width of the Ever Ace, reaching containers stacked up to 24 rows wide. The cranes operate with remarkable efficiency, capable of moving up to 30 containers per hour. This rapid pace is essential for minimizing the ship's time in port, a critical factor in the economics of global shipping. To achieve this speed, the cranes utilize advanced automation systems that coordinate their movements with pinpoint accuracy. Beneath the cranes, a fleet of specialized vehicles moves in a carefully choreographed dance. Automated guided vehicles, AGVs, and straddle carriers transport containers between the ship and the storage yard. These vehicles operate autonomously, guided by a complex network of sensors and GPS technology embedded in the port infrastructure. The placement of containers on the Ever Ace is far from random. Sophisticated software systems optimize the loading plan, taking into account factors such as the ship's stability, the weight distribution of containers, and their final destinations. This meticulous planning ensures that containers can be unloaded efficiently at subsequent ports without unnecessary reef shuffling. Time is of the essence in port operations. Every hour that the Ever Ace spends docked represents significant costs and potential delays in the global supply chain. To maximize efficiency, ports operate around the clock, with teams working in shifts to ensure continuous loading and unloading. The logistics of managing such a vast number of containers extend beyond the ship itself. Modern ports utilize advanced tracking systems that monitor the location and status of each container in real time. Radio frequency identification, RFID tags, and optical character recognition technology enable rapid identification and processing of containers as they move through the port. Environmental considerations also play a crucial role in modern port operations. Many ports now employ shore power systems, allowing ships like the Ever Ace to shut down their engines while docked and draw electricity from the local grid. This significantly reduces emissions and noise pollution in port areas. The loading and unloading process for the Ever Ace represents a pinnacle of industrial coordination. It requires seamless integration between the ship's systems, port infrastructure, and a vast array of vehicles and equipment. This complex ballet of machinery and technology ensures that the world's largest container ship can efficiently transport its massive cargo, playing a pivotal role in the global economy. As ports continue to evolve, new technologies are being developed to further streamline the loading and unloading process. Concepts such as automated mooring systems and next-generation cranes promise to push the boundaries of efficiency even further, potentially reducing port times for ships like the Ever Ace to mere hours rather than days. While the Ever Ace's advanced systems and technologies are crucial to its operation, the human element remains indispensable. Behind the scenes, a dedicated crew works tirelessly to keep this maritime giant functioning smoothly. The number of personnel required to operate a vessel of this magnitude may surprise you, as modern automation has significantly reduced crew sizes compared to earlier eras of shipping. The Ever Ace operates with a crew of approximately 25 to 30 individuals, a remarkably small number considering the ship's immense size and cargo capacity. This efficient staffing is made possible by the extensive automation of many shipboard systems and the high level of expertise possessed by each crew member. The crew composition reflects the diverse range of skills needed to manage such a complex vessel. At the top of the hierarchy is the ship's master, or captain, responsible for overall command and navigation. Supporting the captain are several deck officers, including the chief mate, second mate, and third mate. These officers oversee various aspects of ship operations, from cargo management to safety protocols. In the engine room, a team of engineers ensures the smooth operation of the ship's propulsion and power systems. The chief engineer leads this department, assisted by second and third engineers, each specializing in different aspects of the ship's mechanical and electrical systems. The deck crew, consisting of able-bodied seamen and ordinary seamen, handles tasks such as maintenance, cargo securing, and lookout duties. In the galley, a small team prepares meals and manages provisions for the entire crew. Life aboard the Ever Ace presents unique challenges and experiences for its crew members. Extended periods at sea, often lasting several months, require adaptability and resilience. The ship's size provides some advantages in terms of living conditions, with more spacious accommodations compared to smaller vessels. Crew areas typically include individual cabins, communal dining spaces, and recreation facilities. Despite these amenities, the nature of life at sea remains demanding. Crew members work in shifts, ensuring 24-hour operation of the vessel. The constant motion of the ship, varying weather conditions, and the isolation from land-based society can be physically and mentally taxing. Communication technology plays a crucial role in maintaining crew morale. Modern satellite systems provide internet access, allowing crew members to stay connected with family and friends. However, bandwidth limitations and the costs associated with satellite communication often restrict usage. The expertise required to operate a vessel like the Ever Ace is substantial. Crew members undergo extensive training and certification processes, adhering to international maritime standards such as the Standards of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping (STCW). This training covers a wide range of skills from navigation and engineering to safety procedures and environmental protection. Continuous learning is a hallmark of life aboard the Ever Ace. The rapid evolution of maritime technology necessitates ongoing training and skill development. crew members must stay abreast of the latest advancements in areas such as electronic navigation systems, emissions control technologies, and cybersecurity protocols. Safety training is paramount, with regular drills conducted to prepare for potential emergencies such as fires, man-overboard situations, or the need to abandon ship. The crew must be proficient in operating sophisticated firefighting systems and survival craft, ensuring readiness for any contingency. The multinational nature of modern shipping is reflected in the Ever Ace's crew composition. It's common to find crew members from various countries working together, necessitating strong communication skills and cultural awareness. English serves as the common language aboard, with proficiency required for all crew members to ensure clear communication in both routine and emergency situations. The Ever Ace represents a pinnacle in maritime engineering, but it also points towards the future of global shipping. This vessel's innovations have significant implications for international trade and environmental sustainability. The Ever Ace's massive cargo capacity of 23,992 TEUs enables more efficient transportation of goods, potentially reducing the number of voyages required and lowering shipping costs. However, the environmental impact of such large vessels remains a concern. Future iterations may incorporate alternative propulsion technologies such as hydrogen fuel cells or advanced electric systems to reduce emissions. Ports worldwide are adapting to accommodate these mega ships, investing in deeper channels, larger cranes, and expanded container yards. The Ever Ace stands as a testament to human ingenuity in maritime engineering, setting new standards for efficiency and scale in global trade.